Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Brilliant black metallic Jaguar XF 3 litre diesel S, 275 brake horsepower, portfolio, automatic. Only done to 2013, comes with a lovely private number plate. Private plate comes with the car. 2013, 73,000 miles. Had the cam belt replaced at 55,000 miles. Price 8,995. We've just serviced it. MOT'd until the 19th of January 2026. Nice, lovely example. Brilliant black, ivory leather, portfolio, so top of the range. Had the cam belt done, 73,000 miles, lovely condition. L300XFS number plate goes with it, and it is an XFS 275 brake, portfolio, automatic. 73,000 miles, 2 keys, years MOT. We've just serviced it. It's had the cam belt done. So brilliant black metallic, comes with a reverse camera and rear park sensors. 20-inch alloy wheels, chrome power vents, keyless entry, keyless start, front park sensors, rear park sensors, headlamp washers, LED daytime running lights in the headlamps, black pack on the dashboard. Beautiful ivory leather, heated and chilled electric memory, sports comfort seats in lovely condition. Fitted Jaguar portfolio mats with the contrasting edging. Lovely. Obviously leather multifunction steering wheel, paddle change, electric steering column. Got the extra speaker up there on the dash because it's the portfolio for the 825 watt MERIDIAN HIFI. Sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, reverse camera. Dynamic button down there for your sports modes. Heated windscreen, you name it. It's a portfolio. It's probably got it. Super clean throughout. Light coloured Morzine headlining, lovely. Got the MERIDIAN on the speakers. Several surround sound modes on the portfolio with the big hi-fi. Absolutely like brand new in the boot. Really is. Super clean. Spare wheel, jack, brace, toolkit, wheel locking key, all present and correct. Can't see any dents. It's black, so it's done 73,000 miles. Few stone chips on the front, but original and lovely, just the way I like to see them. Lovely for a 13 plate, as you know, the car that's been looked after as it should be. So electric mirrors, folding mirrors, MERIDIAN sound, memories for the driver's seat position, lovely steering wheel, 73,290 miles. I'll show you the reverse camera in a minute, but there's the satellite navigation, electric handbrake, there's the dynamic button, driver's seat leather. Lovely condition. All the mats are in there. As I say, 2 keys, nice clear reverse camera. There you go. Nothing wrong with that at all. Nice and clear. If you go menu, yeah, with these 825 watts, you get MERIDIAN sound, Dolby Pro Logic, and then you get the option of Neo 6 DTS as well. Fantastic sound systems with extra speakers, heated and chilled seats. Do love the portfolio sports seats. Right, lovely car, £8,995, MOT, serviced and ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other XFs in stock. That's our website. Now this video will be hosted on Barclay Motor Company's YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again. along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a notification every time I upload a fresh car into stock. You'll get a little notification, therefore you will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car fresh in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.